Okay, Breaker Broke 23. Yes, another AM/FM portable radio. This is a Lloyd's N713, or possibly just a 713, but the N was before that, so I'm going to go with N713. AM, FM, and CB radio monitor. All right. So features are power on, DC, AC switching. This does run on batteries. It will run on 4 C-cell batteries. So you ought to get some pretty good life out of that on battery power. And then of course 110. We have the volume control, tuning knob. Now I haven't cleaned, these radios that I'm showing you guys, I haven't cleaned any of them up. Some I will clean up and some I'm just going to let alone. This radio needed no cleanup of the volume control or any of the function switches. This just worked right out of the box. I'm not really sure what year this is made, but it does go to 27,400, maybe 450 as far as frequency goes. So I'm going to say this is after 1976. So let's say probably 1977 to 1978 vintage. Telescoping antenna in great shape. Comes all the way out. It's nice and straight. Earphone jack. And yeah, I love that styling, It's kind of got that realistic styling. All right, boys and girls, how much did I pay? By now you guys should know that I'm fairly cheap. And I got this one for 50 cents. 50 cents. Sweet deal. Especially for a working radio. But at 50 cents, I didn't care. I just brought it home. Didn't even really check it out. I mean, I could off it for parts. I could get more than that out of just yarding that antenna out of there. Anyway, it comes in this little fake leatherette type case. And it doesn't appear to be able to come out. So this is the way it is. Let's open it up. By the way, audio quality on this is average. It's not as good as some of the Panasonics and the Sony that I have, but it is pretty good. I mean, compared to a modern rig, it's hi-fi. So we can put our C-cells down in there. Not the greatest of condition. Like I said, I haven't cleaned this up. And then you have space there to put your cord. But yeah, pretty cool. Plastic feet on the bottom. I imagine there's the screw you loosen to take out the antenna. Oh no, I'm wrong. The antenna's on this side. Okay, well, I know nothing about this. I'm not really a Lloyd's fan, but I would have never bought this back in the day at Kmart. But now, X amount of years later, right? It's kind of cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I've got more. I've only got a few more tabletop portable radios left. It was a pretty good summer this year. Got a lot of electronics. I can't wait to show you my $16 Marantz speakers. That's coming. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Please leave comments below if you know anything about this radio. School me on it. I'd love to know. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.